Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC or Mac computer. First, click the link provided in the description below. That link will take you directly to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, select the Start Free Trial option. You'll see three choices: individual, business, or students and teachers. For this walkthrough, we'll go with the individual plan for a 7-day free trial. Perfect if you're installing it on just one computer. Click Continue, then enter your email address and press Continue again. Next, you'll be asked to complete a short form with your personal details and payment information. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until your free trial ends, so that you can cancel anytime before that. Once that's done, hit Agree and Subscribe. On the next screen, you'll create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, download the Creative Cloud Desktop app when prompted. Install it, then sign in using the same email you just registered. Once Creative Cloud is open, go to the Apps tab. Scroll through the list, find Lightroom, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Lightroom is now installed and ready to use. Dive in, start editing your photos like a pro, and explore all the fantastic features Lightroom has to offer. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Lightroom and the full Adobe Creative Cloud Pro Suite for free today. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to 90 Sec Tech, and join our free newsletter for more tech tutorials, tips, and tools delivered straight to your inbox. Thanks for watching.